Picture this. It's 2019, and Sarah is drowning in her 9-to-5 job, barely making ends meet. Fast forward to today, and she's sipping coffee on a Tuesday morning while her bank account grows by hundreds of dollars without lifting a finger. No, she didn't win the lottery or inherit money from a long-lost relative. She simply discovered what 90% of people never figure out: how to make money work for her instead of working for money. Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Harsh? Maybe. True? Absolutely. Today, we're diving into 5 passive income streams that actually work. No fluff, no get-rich-quick schemes, just real strategies that real people are using right now to build wealth. Stick around, because number 4 might surprise you, and it's probably the easiest one to start. Before we jump in, let's be crystal clear about what passive income really means. It's not about making money without any effort. That's a myth that's been sold to you 1,000 times. True passive income requires upfront work, whether that's time, money, or both. But here's the beautiful part. Once you set it up correctly, it generates income with minimal ongoing effort. Think of it like planting a tree. You put in the work up front, digging, planting, watering, but eventually that tree bears fruit year after year with very little maintenance. That's what we're building today. So let's get into it. Idea 1. Dividend-paying stocks and index funds. The first passive income stream is dividend-paying stocks and index funds. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, "I don't know anything about stocks," hear me out. This isn't about becoming a day trader or staring at charts all day. This is about letting companies pay you for owning a piece of them. Here's how it works. When you buy shares in dividend-paying companies, they literally send you checks, well, deposits, on a regular basis, usually quarterly. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades. They share their profits with shareholders, and you become one of those shareholders. But here's the smarter move: dividend index funds. Instead of picking individual stocks, you can invest in funds that hold hundreds of dividend-paying companies. This spreads your risk and makes it ridiculously simple. Let's talk real numbers. If you invest $10,000 in a dividend fund with a 3% annual yield, that's $300 per year in passive income. Invest $50,000, that's $1,500 annually. And here's the kicker: if you reinvest those dividends, compound interest does its magic. Albert Einstein allegedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, saying, "He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it." Whether he actually said that or not, the principle is powerful. The best part? You can start with as little as $100 through platforms that offer fractional shares. Set up automatic investments, reinvest your dividends, and let time do the heavy lifting. The reality check? This isn't overnight wealth. It's a long-term strategy, but it's one of the most proven passive income methods that exists. Idea 2. Digital products. The second stream is creating and selling digital products. This is where things get exciting because the profit margins are insane. We're talking 90 to 95% profit margins. Why? Because you create it once and sell it infinitely with zero inventory costs. What qualifies as a digital product? Think ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, printables, spreadsheets, music, stock photos, design assets. The list goes on. If you have knowledge or skills in any area, you can package it and sell it. Let me give you an example. There's a designer who created a set of resume templates. She spent about 40 hours designing 20 different templates. She listed them on Etsy for $25. That was 3 years ago. She's now made over $200,000 from that single product, and she hasn't touched it since the initial upload. The templates sell themselves 24/7. Or consider online courses. If you're knowledgeable about photography, fitness, coding, graphic design, or even something niche like bonsai tree care, people will pay to learn from you. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy handle all the technical stuff: payment processing, hosting, delivery. You just create the content. Tony Robbins built an empire on this principle, once stating, "The only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment." And in the digital age, the barriers to entry have never been lower. The best part? Create it once, profit forever. You're trading your time up front for unlimited potential income on the back end. The reality check? You need to actually create something valuable. Half-baked products get half-baked results. Quality matters. Also, you'll need to do some marketing, at least initially, to get momentum. But once reviews and word of mouth kick in, it can truly become passive. Idea 3. Rental income, with a twist. The third income stream is rental income, but not the way you think. Yes, traditional rental real estate can be incredibly lucrative. Buy a property, rent it out, collect checks. The problem? It requires significant capital, isn't truly passive. Hello, midnight maintenance calls, and comes with considerable risk. So here's the twist.
Consider short-term vacation rentals or even renting out equipment and spaces you already have. Got a spare room or property? Airbnb and VRBO have revolutionized rental income. People are making thousands per month renting out everything from spare bedrooms to entire homes. And with proper management or property management services, it becomes far more passive. But let's get even more creative. Don't have property? Rent out other things. People are making money renting out camera equipment and photography gear, tools and power equipment, parking spaces in busy areas, storage space in their garages, even their cars when they're not using them. Turo lets you rent out your vehicle. There are people making an extra $1,000 to $2,000 monthly from cars that would otherwise just sit in their driveway. Fat Llama and other peer-to-peer rental platforms lets you rent out almost anything with value. As Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, famously said, "The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. And unused assets are sleeping money." The best part? You're monetizing things you already own. The barrier to entry can be surprisingly low. The reality check? Short-term rentals require setup, cleaning, and communication. Equipment rentals need maintenance and insurance. But compared to traditional landlording, these options offer more flexibility and can be scaled based on your availability. Idea 4. Content creation and ad revenue. The fourth income stream is content creation and ad revenue. Yes, we're talking about YouTube channels, blogs, podcasts, and social media. Before you say that's not passive, hear me out. The initial content creation requires work, absolutely. But here's what most people miss. Your content keeps working for you long after you publish it. A YouTube video you create today can generate ad revenue for years. A blog post you write can earn affiliate commissions and ad money indefinitely. This video you're watching right now, it'll continue generating income long after I've moved on to creating the next one. Let's talk numbers. A YouTube channel with just 10,000 subscribers earning around $3 to $5 per thousand views can make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s monthly, depending on the niche. And that's just ad revenue. Add in sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and your own product sales, and the numbers multiply. Bloggers running display ads through networks like Mediavine or AdThrive report making anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 monthly once they hit consistent traffic levels. The content library they've built becomes an income-generating asset. Mr. Beast, one of YouTube's biggest creators, puts it this way: the YouTube algorithm rewards consistency and quality. And while building an audience takes time, the passive income potential on the back end is substantial. The best part? Your content is an asset that appreciates. Old videos and posts continue earning while you sleep. The reality check? This requires consistent effort upfront and patience. Building an audience takes months, sometimes years. It's not a quick fix, but it's one of the most scalable passive income models available today. Idea 5. High-yield savings and peer-to-peer lending. The fifth stream is high-yield savings and peer-to-peer lending. This is probably the most passive option on this list because it requires almost zero effort beyond the initial setup. Traditional savings accounts pay laughable interest rates, often under 0.5%. But high-yield savings accounts offered by online banks can pay 4 to 5% or more. That's 10 times higher. If you have $20,000 sitting in a regular savings account earning basically nothing, moving it to a high-yield account could net you $800 to $1,000 annually. That's literally free money for doing nothing. Then there's peer-to-peer lending platforms where you essentially become the bank. You lend money to individuals or small businesses, and they pay you back with interest. Platforms like Prosper and Funding Circle facilitate this. Returns typically range from 5 to 10%, sometimes higher, depending on the risk level you choose. The catch? Higher returns come with higher risk. Some borrowers default, which is why diversification is critical. Spread your investment across many loans to minimize impact. As investor Ray Dalio advises, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This applies perfectly here. The best part? These are truly set-it-and-forget-it passive income sources. After the initial setup, the money works entirely on its own. The reality check? Returns on high-yield savings, while better than traditional accounts, won't make you rich. They're best for emergency funds and conservative portions of your portfolio. Peer-to-peer lending carries default risk, so never invest money you can't afford to lose. So there you have it. 5 passive income streams that actually work. Not pie-in-the-sky fantasies, but real strategies people are using right now to build wealth. 1. Dividend-paying stocks and index funds. 2. Digital products. 3. Creative rental income. 4. Content creation. 5. High-yield savings and peer-to-peer lending. Remember Sarah from the beginning? She didn't just pick one of these, she combined 3 of them. That's the real secret. Multiple streams of passive income create financial resilience and accelerate wealth building. Start with one that matches your skills, resources, and comfort level. Master it, then add another. Before you know it, you'll be the one sipping coffee on a Tuesday morning, watching your accounts grow while you decide how to spend your day. Not because you have to work, but because you want to. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time? Today. If you found this valuable, give this video a like, subscribe for more financial insights, and drop a comment telling me which passive income stream you're going to start with. Let's build wealth together.